You're listening to AI PRISM from Seoul Economic Daily.
Does today's data change your Korea allocation decision, add, reduce, or hold? And which sector signals are moving the risk-reward calculus? It's Tuesday, June 23rd. Here's why global investors are paying attention to Korea today.
Yeah, so our mission today is unpacking the massive divergence between headline indices and actual foreign flows. Alongside that, we're looking at crucial shifts in Korean banks, energy, and defense.
Well, the hashtag KOSPI hit a record 9,114.55 on June 22.
Right.
But foreign investors sold 2.55 trillion won, or about 1.66 billion US dollars. Is this top-heavy index masking a broader structural retreat today?
Yes, because 13.2% index growth occurred in the cap-weighted KOSPI 200 mid-June.
Wow, really?
Yeah, while a 4.83% decline hit the equal-weighted index simultaneously.
Right.
Samsung Electronics and SK Hynix exceed 55% index weighting.
That's as wild. Moving on, a 10-1 rise in the USD-KRW exchange rate triggers a 2 to 3 basis point CET1 decline for Big Four banks.
Exactly. Currency depreciation inflates those risk-weighted assets immediately.
Right.
And, the won sits in the mid-1500s against the dollar today.
So weak. Plus, productive finance policies force SME lending this quarter.
Yeah, these policy-mandated loans erode capital adequacy buffers immediately.
So, changing gears, the U.S.-Iran Hormuz 60-day agreement pushed Brent crude below $80 intraday, and WTI dropped to the mid-$70 range simultaneously.
Right, so this partial ceasefire eases Korean energy import costs in the near term. But on the flip side, China's Ministry of Commerce sanctioned 56 U.S. companies.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, these sweeping rare earth export controls threaten the upstream supply chains of Korean EV and battery manufacturers today.
Jeez. But Hanwha Aerospace secured one S&P A credit rating?
Definitely. A 37 trillion won, or approximately 24 billion U.S. dollars, order backlog anchors this milestone.
That's massive. This rating upgrade opens international bond markets for the firm immediately. Today's data signals 3 structural takeaways now.
Foreign selling on a record, hashtag KOSPI. Close signals structural institutional withdrawal, as investors refuse to add exposure at current valuations.
The CET1 warning, combined with 2009 level 1 weakness, shifts the Korean bank equity risk-reward to asymmetric downside despite higher rates.
Hanwha's A rating opens access to international bond markets for global defense allocators, creating newly liquid equity and credit instruments.
That's today's AI PRISM, Global Investors. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI PRISM is a One IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.
You've been listening to AI PRISM from Seoul Economic Daily.